Hello, and welcome to the Northern Kentucky University video on how to use the resource, What Can I Do with this major? This is a resource that's designed to help students explore the different career paths available to them based on a certain college major. What Can I Do with this major can help you find out more about the different industries you can go into, the different career paths that you can take, and the employers that hire within those industries, and a list of strategies for you to find success within a major. You can access What Can I Do with this major by going to the Career Services website, which is just nku.edu/career services. And once you're there, you will see 6 buttons on the homepage that read About, Students, Employers, Alumni, Faculty/Staff, and Parents/Family. You'll want to click on the Students tab to find resources specific to students. And once you get to the student section of the Career Services webpage, you'll scroll down a little bit to view the menu on the left-hand side of the page. Within the menu, click on the Career Planning tab. And then this will take you to the Career Planning page where you'll want to scroll down to the header that says Career Exploration. And underneath this header is a list of all of our career exploration resources. The one we'll be focusing on today is the first one on the list, which is What Can I Do with this major? So before we visit the site, it's important to preface by saying that this is a paid resource. That means that you'll want to be sure to always access What Can I Do with this major through the Career Services website. Trying to access it anywhere else, such as trying to Google it, will send you to the About page and ask you to pay for a subscription. The NKU Career Services office has already paid for this subscription, so you don't have to. You'll just need to access the site through the steps mentioned previously. It's also important to mention that this resource was created and is maintained by the University of Tennessee. And due to this, some of the majors listed on the site will not directly correlate to what we have at NKU. For example, on What Can I Do with this major, they list global studies as a major, but at NKU, we refer to this major as international studies. Same content, but just a different name. They also list some majors that we don't offer, such as architecture, linguistics, or religious studies. Additionally, we offer a handful of majors at NKU that are not listed on the What Can I Do with this major website. Those are for cybersecurity, data science, entrepreneurship, radiation therapy, radiologic science, respiratory care, and organizational leadership. The first-year peer career coach team has made our own pages for those majors, and to access these pages, you can just contact us by email at careerservices@nku.edu. Now let's look at the site. So once you click on What Can I Do with this major, you'll see some basic instructions at the top of the page that tell you how to use the resource. If you scroll down, you'll see that the majors are sorted into categories such as communication, languages, cultures, and humanities, and science, for example. Looking at the majors by category can be useful, especially if you're interested in a specific area of education and would like to see what your major options are. For example, if you're interested in business, then you can click on the business section and see, what your options are for majoring within the business field. And if you scroll down even further past the categories, you'll see each of the majors listed in alphabetical order. For the sake of example, we're going to go to the first page on the list, which is accounting. And each page on What Can I Do with this major is structured the same way. So each page will have a header with the name of the major. So in this case, it's accounting. And then a paragraph below the header that explains what the major is. So accounting focuses on methods to create, maintain, and audit a detailed and accurate system that displays the finances of a business or organization. And then when you scroll down, you'll see text bubbles that list the different areas within the major. For accounting, these areas are public accounting, corporate accounting, government, nonprofit, and education. Expanding these text bubbles, like the public accounting bubble, causes an information panel to drop down. The first header on the information panel reads Common Career Paths, where you can see the various jobs that you can find within the area of public accounting, such as international accounting or financial accounting. Below that is the employer's header, where you can see the types of employers that would be looking to hire accountants in the area of public accounting, such as public accounting firms, which have a variety of sizes. So large public accounting firms, regional public accounting firms, and local public accounting firms, as well as just sole practitioners. And then the final strategies header lists the ways that you can maximize your opportunities within public accounting, such as by obtaining specialty certifications. Past the list of areas, there's also a section for getting started and advancing in major, which has a list of strategies for success that apply to accounting students regardless of their area of specialization or the industry that they want to go into. At the very bottom of the page, you can see the professional associations, occupational outlook, related resources, and employment opportunities. Each of these sections have links to external sources where you can see the professional accounting associations, job outlook for accounting careers, job boards for employment opportunities in accounting, and other resources for understanding the accounting industry and accounting employment. So the page for each major is structured exactly the same and has all the same type of information for each major. This makes each major page easy to navigate. So for example, if I went to social work down here under the S's, we would see that it is organized in the same manner as accounting. So you have all of the different areas here or industries. You have the drop-down menu with the common career paths, the employers, and the strategies, as well as the getting started and advancing in major section at the bottom, as well as the professional associations, occupational outlook, related resources, and employment opportunities. But overall, that is how to use the resource, What Can I Do With This Major? If you would like to continue using this resource with the help of one of our staff members, you can set up a career and major exploration appointment with our office by calling us at 859-572-5680 or by signing into your Handshake account at nku.joinhandshake.com. Thank you for watching.